A breast reduction involves reducing the volume and weight of the breast, tightening up the breast skin, and elevating the nipples to the appropriate location. Those are sort of the three goals that are achieved with a breast reduction. To be covered by an insurance company or by your insurance company, a breast reduction needs to generally remove at least 500 grams of tissue, and this varies based on your BMI and body surface area and things like that, which we will calculate when we see you. But the primary goal of a breast reduction, unlike a breast lift, is to reduce the weight and volume of your breasts, while at the same time we will elevate your nipples and tighten up your soft tissue envelopes of your skin. I do not place drains in breast reductions. It is unnecessary. The incisions on a breast reduction will be an anchor-shaped incision. So there'll be a scar around the areola, down the meridian of the breast at the 6 o'clock position, and then underneath the breast fold along, I guess, the inframammary crease or breast fold. So it's an anchor-shaped scar that is left behind. No drains, and your breast will be significantly smaller because that is the goal of a breast reduction. How much smaller depends on your goals and what the insurance company requires. If you're paying cash and doing this as a cosmetic operation, then we don't have to deal with the insurance company and their goals. We can shoot for exactly what it is you want to have reduced and removed from your breast. If your nipples are really, really low, excessively low, and this is rare, but if your nipples are really low, I may need to perform what's called a free nipple graft. That's where the nipples are completely separated from your body temporarily. Extra breast tissue is removed, the skin's tightened up, and then at the end we graft your nipples back on where they are supposed to be at the end of the operation. So that's a free nipple graft. Most of the time, over 95% of the time, I do not need to remove the nipple from your breast. I leave it attached to breast tissue underneath, which is called the pedicle, which keeps the nipple areolar complex alive. And so it doesn't need to be removed from your body, and therefore it doesn't need to be put back on as a graft. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.